Eto na nga, excited na po kaming mapanood ninyo dito sa TV5 ang aming serye na Someone Someday. Pero bago yan, merong inamin si Asia superstar Catherine Bernardo tungkol sa kanila ni James Reid. Kung ano yan, alamin sa Frontline Report ni MJ Marfori.
You know I'm always here for you, right?
Dapat lang.
It's that Catherine chemistry. Yes, yan ang isa sa pinaka-aabangan sa upcoming primetime series na Someone Someday, starring Catherine Bernardo at James Reid. Sa MediaCon ng Netflix kahapon para sa serye, aminado si Kat na tinrabaho nila ng gusto ni James ang samahan nila on-screen as Billy and Jordan.
I expected James to be really shy, and I was right. He's very shy. I'm the type of person pa naman na, it takes a while for me na to warm up, and usually may isa na magbe-break na ice. So the problem with us, sino? Walang gusto mo una. So parang, I'm shy, he's shy. So paano natin to? Paano to? Kasi dapat best friends kami.
Sa pagbuo raw ng kanilang on-screen presence, natagalan ng production ng Someone Someday. Gusto kasi nila na maibigay sa fans ang genuine chemistry at samahan ng magkababatang karakter ng dalawa.
It's a group effort.
Yeah, it was a group effort, and also I think nag-work din yung we didn't force anything. Because I think anything that's forced, the audience will see it. And we don't want to alam mo na arte mo lang. Okay, you're
Say ni Kat, mas nakilala pa niya si James nang dahil sa serye.
very unfamiliar si James sa akin, but now, every taping, I got to know him more. And then, I'm just curious about him.
It's a work in progress. Pero pangako ni na James at Catherine na they will take us in for a ride sa mundo ng Someone Someday. Also starring Maha Salvador, Dimples Romana, at marami pang iba. Direkte nito ni Dolly Dulu at Chad Vidanes. Nakatid ng Dreamscape at ABS-CBN. Mapapanood na yan sa Biyernes sa Netflix at sa Lunes naman dito sa TV5 at iba pang platform. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po. Eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang kay-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.